Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fulfill orders in CJ Dropshipping / Shopify. Okay, first things first, what you are going to do is to open up your Shopify. You will open it by typing it in the search bar in your browser. If you do not have an account for Shopify yet, just sign up into making a new account. Now that you are in your Shopify, what you have to do is press Add Apps on the left interface of your screen. It is on the same interface where you can locate your online store. So, how you are going to do that is by pressing the plus icon on the left side of your screen. Then, a pop-up will appear showing several applications. But wait, because this is not the complete App Store yet. To access the App Store itself, what you want to do is scroll down and look for the Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. It is a message, and you will press that. By doing this, it will bring you to a new tab, which is the Shopify App Store website. Now, what you want to do is type in CJ Dropshipping. Then, after you press enter, the results of what you search for will appear. However, you only have to select this one. Once you have selected the application, it will bring you to the application page. What you are going to do now is to add this application to your Shopify. So, what you are going to press is the Add App. And then, it will once again bring you to a new page confirming if you want to authorize this product to be connected with Shopify. From here, what you need to do is press Install App. Then, if you are not signed up into your CJ Dropshipping account, however, what it will do is direct you to a CJ Dropshipping website where you can log in your account. Once you have done that, it will bring you to a new page where it says that the authorization is a success. After that, Shopify will now load the newly installed application. Once it's done loading, here you can now see the CJ Dropshipping. So now that you have connected CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, whenever you press your applications, CJ Dropshipping will always appear. And when you click on CJ Dropshipping, doing that will directly bring you to the CJ Dropshipping website. So, to test it out, head to your e-commerce website, which is CJ Dropshipping in my case. And then, scroll down to look for any item that you may want to connect to your Shopify account. When you see an item that you may like, just hover your cursor on an item and press List. Then, doing that will bring you to a selected items page. By also doing that, it will open up a pop-up of the listing page. In here, you can change the price and the variants. So, as you can see, this item is for sale for $2. Then, you can press the text box on the right side if you want to change your pricing. And, as you can see, I will just edit a few of these prices, or you can edit it your price of your preference. Then, when you have listed that item, you can now head back to your Shopify account. What you want to do now is to press Products. And you will now be able to see your automated order. So now, let us proceed on how we can fulfill our orders. What you want to do now is head to your store. By hovering your cursor on your profile, doing that will show a drop-down menu again, and what you are going to press is from there is Profile. Doing that will direct you to your store. What you are going to do here is press Orders. Then, it will bring you to the CJ Dropshipping Orders page. What you want to do next is press Products. And a drop-down menu will appear. What you are going to be selecting, there is the Connections. So in here, you will be able to see your connected products. If your products are not connected, what you want to do is just to press this little icon over here. And that's it! You can now fulfill orders in CJ Dropshipping /Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!